We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous Spanish island, a Balearic island in the Mediterranean. How do you say it? Well, in English it is often pronounced as Ibiza, Ibiza, but the Spanish pronunciation is rather different. In Spanish it is to be said as Ibiza, Ibiza, so the Z or the Z letter in Spanish is to be said pretty much like TH in English, with this th sound, with your tongue between your teeth. Ibiza, Ibiza. But you could say at least Ibiza with an S sound. That's not perfect, but that's a lot better than Ibiza. Ibiza, or even better, Ibiza. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of famous places in Spain, Spanish words and beyond, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.